This is why I stopped maintaining my Obsidian vault. I used to think that vault maintenance was just another necessary evil of PKM. But every time I think I've made it better, it devolved into a second job. Creating notes with just the right metadata, knowing exactly what to link and where, and cleaning up all the stray notes that pop up takes a lot of time. And if I get lazy or forget, I lose all the perks of even having a second brain. In this video, I'm going to show you how I set up Claude in my Obsidian so that I could organize my vault better and get my weekends back. But first, before I show you anything, you're going to need Claude Code on your machine. So you're just going to click on the link below, navigate to this page, and all you need is to copy one line and paste it on your terminal. There you go. Hit enter. I would duplicate my Obsidian vault just in case. Then, open your terminal, go to your vault folder, type Claude, hit enter, and you'll see it start up right inside your vault. Claude's files are hidden in Obsidian by default, so I like to use VS Code to see them. Next, you're going to create a file called Claude.md. Think of it as an onboarding doc. What would somebody need to know about your vault that isn't obvious from reading it? And if your vault looks like this, with all the raw notes in your inbox, half-formed notes you've almost forgotten the meaning of, and untitled note number 57, you're not alone. I created a command called cleanup, and with this command, Claude reads every note in my inbox. It proposes what to rename, what to move, and then sometimes it leaves questions for me at the end. And just like that, it cleans up my index. If you want the prompts for these commands in your own vault, I've added a link down below. But clearing the backlog once every quarter or so isn't enough. If you've played with any of these tools before, you know that the hard part is actually staying consistent. Years of being a planner girly has taught me that daily and weekly planning helps me feel prepared. But life happens. And when patterns break, it's really hard to catch up. Or worse, it's easy to completely stop. This is where my EOD command comes in. Throughout the day, I just drop bullets into my daily note, the people I talk to, tasks that have come up, wins, and at the end of the day, I run EOD, and Claude figures out where everything goes. CRM updates, new task files, meeting notes, I just approve it. This means less time formatting files and doing general admin work. But here's the part I totally forgot about. Claude actually learned how I work. Every time you correct Claude or teach it something new, it saves that lesson. So these are the memory files. Claude created all of these on its own. I didn't set any of this up. This one, for example, is from a session where I told Claude to stop creating new front matter properties and reuse the ones I already have. I feel like Obsidian is supposed to be about thinking and writing and building on your ideas. But I feel like I keep on falling into this trap of organizing my notes over and over again. And maybe this is the solution. So if you like the commands that I showed you in this video, I have a link down below. And if you like this video, you might like my 5-part Obsidian system, which is the framework that I build my entire Obsidian vault on. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.